So a little while ago, just for fun, I decided to do a make a mocktail with me ASMR edition with Curious Elixirs. Well, they saw the video, they loved the video, and they asked if they could send me a few more of their non-alcoholic beverages to try, and I love free stuff, so of course I said yes, and look what arrived. So let's open her up and see what we have here. It's heavy as hell. When they said they were going to send me some stuff, I was excited. I didn't realize they were going to send me a shit ton of stuff. I'm so pumped. So they send this in every single box that they send out because I do their monthly subscription, and they have 9 different types of NA beverage flavors. So I have tried the number 7, which is the Curious Champagne Cocktail, and the number 4, which is a Sicilian, say that 10 times fast, Blood Orange and Green Mandarin Spritz. Did videos on them, love them. I have the Juniper Cucumber Collins in my fridge, and I think I have a Pina Colada flavor that I still haven't tried yet, but I'm really pumped to see what it's all about. So let's see what they sent. Oh, shit. All right. So we have a 4-pack of the number 9, which is the Rosy Rosé Fizzling Lifting Lime Booze-Free Craft Cocktail. Can't speak, pumped about this because I love sparkling rosés. Like, who doesn't? Their number 2, which is their Spicy Pineapple Margarita. I love margaritas. They are my fucking favorite, and I am so pumped to try this one. Lastly, we have the Smoked Cherry Chocolate Old Fashioned. I'm not a fan of old fashions, but I am a fan of chocolate and I'm a fan of cherry, so I'm really excited to try this one as well. Can we just... This is so exciting. So I have tried a few of them already, like I told you, and I belong to their monthly subscription. So each month they send you 4 different types of Curious Elixirs. I just got my 2nd month package in, and it's featuring the Cucumber Collins. It is the, what is this one? The Pomegranate Negroni Spagliato. A number 6, which is the Coconut Pineapple Painkiller, and then the Champagne Cocktail again. So you will be seeing videos featuring all of these in the future because this is beyond like amazing. Thank you. So Curious Elixirs provides non-alcoholic mocktails that provide a purpose for your body. So it's not just empty sugars. They're full of adaptogens and roots and herbs, and each one has a different function for your body. So for example, the Curious Cucumber Colin aids digestion. We have the chocolate cherry one as a mood booster, and it boosts the immunity. The pomegranate Negroni Spagliato, I can't say that, boosts circulation and aids digestion. So you can drink all of these in place of your cocktails, and they'll actually make you feel better as you're drinking them. I'm a social drinker. I have maybe 1 to 2 drinks if I'm out with a group of friends. But honestly, I've been focusing on my health this year, and drinking is just not making me feel good in general. So I've been looking at the NA beverage market to provide me with something different that's going to serve the same purpose. I can have these with friends, but it's going to make me feel a lot better and not hungover. And normally I don't showcase a lot of unboxings on my sex education platform. However, if you love shit like this, I created a 2nd Instagram account. It's the.AmandaKing2. I share a bunch of Pilates stuff, health and wellness. My search in the NA beverage market to find something that I can have with my friends that's going to make me feel good in my body. So if you like this content, come follow me over there. And I'm going to tag Curious Elixirs below because they are badass and this is incredible. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Truly appreciate this. And as a side note, from someone who grows their business on the internet in general, don't be afraid to post the video. There are so many people who are afraid to put themselves out there in this world because they think it's going to be cringy or people are going to make fun of them. Who the fuck cares? I put that video out on a whim for fun, and I get great shit in return. So just put yourself out there, post the video, fuck everybody else, stay authentic to yourself, and love it. There. And I'm going to tag Curious Elixirs below because they're badass and this is incredible. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Truly appreciate this. And as a side note, from someone who grows their business on the internet in general, don't be afraid to post the video. There are so many people who are afraid to put themselves out there in this world because they think it's going to be cringy or people are going to make fun of them. Who the fuck cares? I put that video out on a whim for fun and I get great shit in return. So just put yourself out there, post the video, fuck everybody else, stay authentic to yourself and love it. And I will say this as well for Curious Elixirs. They sent this out of the kindness of their heart and didn't ask for anything in return, which says a lot about their brand and their company. They said, we loved the video. Would you like to try more of our products? Let us send them to you. That's it. That means so much to us small creators when we do something like that, and we are seen by big brands. Like that is so lovely. Again, couldn't be more appreciative of this. And they will get videos, not because they asked for them, but because they went above and beyond to make a creator feel seen. So other big brands should probably take notes and see what Curious Elixir does for their creators.